So कसं काय बरं आहे रुद्धी?
हो एकदम मस्त.
How is your college life going by the way?
Great. It's currently in hybrid mode because I'm in TY. So
Okay.
and I prefer offline more. Offline
Okay.
is fun. You get to meet people. You get to make connections.
Yeah.
Networking. ये सब होता है. Online में no.
That I miss because
Yeah.
I have a course related to online only.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I even if I'm in NM college, but I want to know कि you have a public account, right?
Yeah, I do.
And I've seen your reels recently. You're doing a good job. Like your views
Thank
and
you,
reach
thank
are
you.
good. But I wanted to ask you, like, how do you face a hate comment or any public reaction that you get in a negative way?
See, so what I basically believe is all our actions have consequences, right?
Yeah.
I choose to post on social media. मेरी choice है, ठीक है?
Right, right.
I do it because I like it. It's not like I use it as a many people earn through social media, but I use it as a platform for just fun, you know.
Yeah.
So for me, it is not something serious. So the thing is, whenever I face people who hate me, which I haven't as of yet, there is just one or two people, and I don't react to it at all. See, when you give them a reaction, that is all that they want, the haters. That is all that they want. The best you can do is not react at all. So, dealing with hate comments and DMs is the only way is you either not react to it, or maybe some people prefer reacting to it and posting reels about it, which is another approach to it.
Approach to it.
So there are two approaches. So I choose not to react at all because I am not a huge creator. I'm just I do it for fun.
It's a
Yeah,
for
it's
fun,
it's like a passion.
But
Yeah.
what are the reels related to? Like
See, it's basically related to fashion and makeup,
Makeup.
or face painting and art.
Okay.
So that's that.
okay, so in that what attracts you? Like तुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है?
As in,
As in like a fashion or face painting or
Yeah.
stuff. Because I've seen कि तेरा face painting बाप रहता है तो इसके लिए मैंने तेरे को पूछा कि do you do it with yourself by your own कि do you hire someone to do it?
no, everything by myself. Everything, literally
Oh.
everything. I just my brother helps me with making videos or clicking pictures and everything. Otherwise, the things I do, the ideas are my own, and whatever I do, it's my own.
And the
ऐसा.
paintings and the colors do you use on your face, do they harm you?
No,
Like-
they don't. They don't. See, there are usually choice of colors. I am not a professional, artist, or so there are people who professionally pursue face painting as a career. It is not my career option. So I cannot invest in face paints per se because they are very expensive. So there are many alternatives which you can use on your face. One is acrylic, but the thing is, you have to make sure that your face is protected before you put
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
because the only advantage of acrylic is that the color isn't soaked by your skin.
Cool.
So it is just like a plastic coating.
Hmm.
It does dry up and it becomes very itchy. And it pulls your skin, but the plus side is at least you get a good face painting.
That's cool. That's
Yeah.
great. Apart from that thing, you travel a lot. Like while going for college, also you go by train and also.
Yeah, I do.
So in that terms, how do you come up with, you're a woman, so I know how you guys deal with all the things. But on a specific note, apart from that thing, physically and socially, how do you cope up with the haters and the stalkers also?
See,
In
so
physical way, how do you react to them? Like वो लोग अगर तुम
Under
लोग को
the
देख रहे हो
social,
या any way.
see, now I usually ट्रेन में लेडीज वाला डब्बा होता है,
हाँ.
तो औरतें ऑब्वियसली लेडीज से जाते हैं, बट एट टाइम्स
औरतें भी कभी कभी creepy वे से
हाँ.
देखते हैं तुम लोग को.
See, the thing is, I am into fashion, right? So I like experimenting with what I wear, and I also have a belly piercing. So two reasons for men and women. Like, let's not talk about gender. For people to stare. And the worst
So the
part is,
main point जब even if you are wearing crop top and all stuff, so सबका view belly piercing पे जाता है.
belly piercing पे जाता है, and then they'll just they'll just look ऊपर से नीचे. Not just men, even women. See, I've had my friends come with me to leave me at certain places because मेरे को इरिटेट होता है. सी there's a point ना, एक पॉइंट होता है कि हम लोग मतलब सोचते हैं कि बाबा ठीक है घूर रहे. बट देन मेरा क्या हुआ कि रिसेंटली इट्स बिन लाइक कि व्हाटएवर आई वेयर, व्हाटएवर पीपल स्टेयर.
Everyone stares. Everyone.
हाँ, everyone stares. And then some people just ignore it. I ignore it too.
Yeah.
But then there is a point when it overwhelms you so much.
Yeah.
कि it's just like कि बाबा why are you staring? Stop staring. Like let me live in peace. ऐसा. तो I have had many of my friends कि एक बार मैं मेरे एक दोस्त से मिलने अंधेरी गई थी. She had to drop me Bandra just because people were looking at me the entire while. Just because I was wearing thigh-high boots. So it's so scary that
Because you were wearing thigh boots.
Yeah. See, it's not, and people don't understand ki how creepy they can be when they are looking at someone. See, there are two looks. One is a look of admiration, and another one is just staring at someone and freaking them out. So
it happens with boys also, I guess.
Yeah, it does. It happens with everyone, not just women. It happens with everyone. So what एक पॉइंट पे you're just like कि भाई मैं इसको उठ के मार दूंगी. एंड सेकंड पॉइंट पे you're just scared कि यार नहीं मुझे घर जाना है. ऐसा होता
बट वो टाइम पे तुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या कैसे डील करने का.
See, so as a woman I've faced
you want to share some stories of your life, like incidents.
See, that's what I'm saying. See, as a woman I have many stories where harassments have taken place in the public. Yeah, so I'll tell you, it was my first day of college.
Yeah.
And मैं
like
पहली बार
legit harassment.
हाँ, मतलब क्या
होता है?
ragging
in college.
No, not ragging. It was my first day of college, 11th standard. एंड मैं पहली बार बस ले रही थी बिकॉज मेरे को विराट ट्रेन नहीं फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रैवलिंग था. तो नहीं मेरे को जमा नहीं ये विराट ट्रेन मिली नहीं. तो मैं मेन स्टेशन उतर के मैंने बस ली बोरेवली से. एंड तभी रश आज ना मैं आई कितना, इट वाज अराउंड 6:37 रश आज से. तो तभी देयर वाज दिस इंसिडेंट वेयर आई वाज स्टैंडिंग बस में एंड देयर वाज दिस गाय in his early 20s, like 23-24, and he was standing just behind me. ठीक है, अभी रश है तो हम सब लोग बैग आगे लेते हैं, राइट. उसने उसका बैग पीछे ही लिया था. ठीक है, and we were standing, हम लोग, वो मेरे पीछे खड़ा था जस्ट. ठीक है,
you were with your friends or
no, I was alone and हम लोग खड़े थे. and then अचानक से ना he literally fell on me ऐसे पीछे से.
लाइक बस का ब्रेक जब वो तब.
एंड वो लिटरली इतना आगे आया ना कि आई फेल्ट समथिंग टचिंग माय एस. या सो इट वाज लाइक कि मैं 2 मिनट के लिए मुझे लगा कि गलती से हो रहा है क्या. नो, हिज पीनस वाज लिटरली टचिंग माय एस. इट इज लाइक if you have seen Sex Education, right? जो on the bus incident. Yeah, it was like that only. So I got scared because it was my first time in bus. ठीक है, और मैं 16 साल की थी. ठीक है, what do you expect from a 16-year-old kid?
Yeah.
तो मैं 2 मिनट के लिए I went blank.
Yeah.
And I was like मैं क्या करूँ?
Fuck.
ठीक है.
It's too.
And then I was just like मैं थोड़ा और आगे आई, वो फिर से आगे आया. It was like he was trying to do that on purpose. ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा और आगे गई. मैं लिटरली मेरे सामने वाले आंटी को धकेल रही थी कि आगे जाओ. वो फिर से और आगे आया. लाइक नो, आई कांट डील विद दिस. एंड तभी क्या हुआ ना कि मेरे बाजू में जो आंटी बैठी थी ना, उन्होंने वो देखा एंड शी पुश्ड दैट गाय.
ओके.
एंड देन शी स्टूड मेरे पीछे. वो लिटरली इसको धकेल के मेरे पीछे खड़ी हो गई. एंड देन उनके बाजू वाले अंकल ने भी बोला कि क्या कर रहे थे तुम ऐसा, बिकॉज दे नो व्हाट हैपेंस एंड द अदर मेन इन द बस ना, दे वर आल्सो प्रीटी सपोर्टिव अबाउट इट कि बाबा ये तो बच्चे तो क्या कर रहा है, समझ में नहीं आता.
इट्स क्वाइट हैपनिंग आई विल से, बिकॉज़ द थिंग इज कि अभी का सोसाइटी है ना, दे सी कि मतलब जो हो रहा है उन लोग पे कैसे रिएक्ट करने का है. पहले का कैसा था कि अरे
See, people are changing. I won't
people
say
are
they're not.
changing
People are.
and the society is also changing. like कि अभी अभी कैसे like अगर तेरे साथ कुछ हो रहा है तो तुझे आके पूछेगी कि क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है. इन पब्लिकली आई एम आस्किंग का. देन अगर पहले का बात करें लाइक 6-7-8 साल पहले के जब निर्भया का केस हुआ था
हाँ.
तब कैसा सिचुएशन था कि लोगों को फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है तुम लोग के साथ क्या हो रहा है. बट आफ्टर लॉकडाउन आई फील कि वो चेंज हो रहा है, वो मेंटालिटी चेंज हो रहा है कि
Yeah.
पीपल आर बीइंग वेरी सपोर्टिव.
Yeah, they are. They are.
लाइक दे विल आस्क यू अगर तेरे साथ कुछ हो रहा है
हाँ,
कि
कुछ
नहीं.
हो रहा है तो.
या
See, that's the thing. And now अभी होता क्या है ना कि उसके बाद I haven't had such experience. बस में भी नहीं और ट्रेन में भी नहीं. एक ही बार हुआ था. But it was not like this. मैं बस में थी एंड आई तभी तक मुझे एक्सपीरियंस था बस का.
हाँ.
एंड वो लड़का ही वॉज लाइक अ अंकल ऑन दी इन हिज 30s और समथिंग और वो कंटिन्यूसली घूर रहा था
तुझे.
हाँ. एंड नॉट इवन लाइक यू नो ऐसे देख के ये
The eye
करना.
contact.
हाँ. एंड वो मेरे आगे था तो वो लिटरली यू नो वी स्टैंड फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स द यू नो फ्रंट ऑफ द बस राइट.
Yeah.
तो वो उल्टा घूम के ऐसे खड़ा होके मेरे को देख रहा था और 2 मिनट के लिए मैं क्रीप आउट हो गई. आई कॉल्ड वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स और मैंने सिर्फ इन्फॉर्म करके रखा कि बाबा ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है ठीक है. एंड देन व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई स्टैंड बैक. ठीक है. आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं मैंने अभी कुछ नहीं किया तो ये चलता रहेगा ठीक है. सो आई केप्ट लुकिंग एट हिम एकदम गुस्से से. आई केप्ट लुकिंग एट कंटिन्यूअसली आई केप्ट लुकिंग एट हिम ठीक है. एंड इट वेंट ऑन फॉर 5 minutes ठीक है. 5 minutes वो फिर भी मेरे को देख रहा था. मैं देख रही थी उसको. मैं सिर्फ देख रही थी गुस्से से देख रही थी. और फिर 5 मिनट बाद वो आदमी बैठ गया मुड़ के. एंड आई एम लाइक दैट इज हाउ लॉन्ग इट टेक्स फॉर यू टू रियलाइज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज रॉन्ग.
उसका काम आ गया रहेगा इसी.
No, that is what it takes you for you to realize. My God. उसके बाद से सी what I feel is whenever such things happen with you, when you go out in
With
world
anyone?
ऐसा होगा.
Yeah.
ऐसा होगा.
The world is brutal too and it's good too.
Yeah.
Like you have to know कि what's good for you and what's not good
It's
for
good
you.
and it's bad. Yes. See, the thing is कि
It takes time to figure out. I feel.
हर किसी के साथ ऐसा एक ना एक एक्सपीरियंस हर किसी को होगा ही. Especially women, they will have at least one story to tell you about harassments. At least one.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And the thing is that when we tell this to someone, the reaction is as if this is a big deal. But you know when we are saying it now, it's like अरे ये तो हम लोग के साथ होता ही रहता है. ऐसा होता है ठीक है.
It's like यार
Yeah.
मतलब हम लोग को नहीं पता चलेगा.
It's like
तुम लोग
we're used to it.
Yeah.
And see, you know, for एक बार हुआ 2 बार हुआ, you panic. When it happens more than twice or thrice ना, you are used to it. Not used to it, but you know how to
होता
face
रहता है.
it.
तुम लोग ऐसे ही बोलोगे.
ठीक है. होता रहता है. And you know how what we can do is instead of you know panicking or you know getting scared, what we do is we know how to react in such situations. The worst thing is कि many of us when it happens first time, we panic a lot. We don't know what to do and we don't know how to do whatever we're supposed to do.
Yeah.
So when we know कि हाँ बाबा ऐसे हो सकता है, we are already prepared कि हाँ बाबा मुझे पता है अभी मुझे क्या करना है ऐसा. So physical life में what a woman has to deal with except for this like harassment and everything, ये सब के साथ तो हम लोग डील करना सीख ही जाते हैं in a good way. See,
but you know what, हम लोग को ये एक्सपीरियंस करना नहीं पड़ता.
see,
बट जब भी हम लोग तुम लोग को पूछो कि तुम लोग ने हैरेसमेंट वगैरह फेस किया क्या, द ओनली वे यू गाइज आंसर और रिएक्ट इज लाइक अरे हम लोग के साथ तो रोज होता रहता है. सो आई फील कि रोज क्यों हो रहा है. व्हाई द मेंटालिटी इज नॉट चेंजिंग.
we are not to get to used
Yeah.
to it. This is not something to get to
Used to it. It's
This
not
is
the-
something that should be stopped.
Stop.
ठीक है.
एंड
That
इट्स
is the thing.
आवर जॉब कि
Yeah.
हम अपने में
See-
कुछ गलती है क्या वो देखो ना
See,
तुम लोग.
what I feel, मेरे को हमेशा से लगता था कि ठीक है हम लोग से जो बड़े हैं उन लोग को नहीं समझता, एटलीस्ट हमारा जनरेशन बेटर होगा.
बेटर रहेगा.
But you know there are still guys out there in our generation, guys, not just guys. ठीक है, I'll take my statement back. Not just guys. There are
Yeah.
people out there who still blame women for being raped. कि बाबा उसने ऐसे कपड़े पहने होंगे, उसने ऐसा ये किया होगा, उसने प्रोवोकेट
Clothes
किया
really
होगा.
don't matter for anyone.
Yeah. ठीक है.
Like you are comfortable, it's okay for you.
And see, now the thing is that I can't even say कि only women get raped, even men get raped. ठीक है.
It's getting hard. It's getting worse.
It is getting
I guess.
worse.
Yeah.
It's getting worse. And the thing is that people are not understanding. The generation is
Yeah.
not understanding
Like,
that where it needs to stop.
Boys
where the boundaries.
का क्या हो रहा है? Boys किस situation से deal कर रहे हैं?
हाँ.
वो भी कोई समझ के ले रहा
समझ
नहीं
के
है
नहीं
कि
लेता.
फिर.
Yes. It is very difficult for a man to be a man in a society
Yeah.
where you know there are
Like
standards.
there is this orthodox, I'll say, कि अरे तू मर्द है, घर का आदमी है, तुझे रोना नहीं चाहिए, ये तो
That is toxic masculinity.
that is a toxic upbringing, I'll say. कि उसके बाद when you go you to work, काम करते हैं, तेरा कुछ भी तेरे लाइफ में कुछ you अच्छे
I feel
रहना.
like this is going to go for 30
Yeah,
30 minutes.
definitely.
Yeah.
So then you be like अरे मैं तो घर का मर्द हूँ, मैं कैसे रो सकता हूँ सबके सामने and all stuff. वो भी होता है, but apart from that thing, Rudy, I want to know कि for how social media is toxic for you, or is
In a
it
similar
better?
way. See, in a similar way. Although social media पे you know how social media can harass someone is that you know there are people who DM you their nudes. You know there is a boundary and there is a thing called consent.
I feel कि
ठीक है?
social media is a good way to connect with anyone else.
Yeah, but not like this.
Not
you don't
like
start
this.
a conversation by sending
not
nudes.
like this.
I'm sorry.
And I feel कि हम लोग से ज़्यादा तुम लोग बहुत डील करते हो DMs और toxic
Yeah.
messages और वो and you तुम लोग को मालूम पड़ता है कि कौन कैसा है, how you. That's a better point, I'll say. So again.
No, see, there are many things that social media can trigger. Social media can trigger someone's eating disorders. Social media can trigger someone's body image issues, someone's body dysmorphia. बहुत चीजें trigger होती हैं.
Does it trigger
These are
you
the
somewhere?
things. Yeah, these are the things that social media does to trigger me. It triggers my eating disorders. It triggers my body image issues, which I've had for the longest time. We
You
all
don't have.
somewhere.
I don't feel you have, or anyone.
No. Somewhere or the else we do feel कि कि हाँ हम लोग कहीं पे कम पड़ रहे हैं. Or so there's this concept of body dysmorphia where where you work.
What is it?
Yeah, so it basically is where you feel कि suppose I feel insecure about my stomach कि ठीक है, and then one day I make peace कि बाबा नहीं, this is how my stomach is, this is how a human body is, and then I'll suddenly feel insecure about my arms कि अरे my arms are very big.
Okay.
Once I accept it कि नहीं, that is how my arms should be. Then again I'll feel insecure about my shoulders. अरे my shoulders are so broad. So body dysmorphia is basically just because society has a standard कि हाँ this is how a human looks. We judge ourselves and we put ourselves in a position where we are like कि बाबा अरे मैं इसकी तरह नहीं दिखती. So I am not an ideal human.
Okay.
So it makes you think कि अरे ये तो मेरी कुछ गलतियाँ मैं ही कहीं पे गलत हो रही है.
It's like कि लोगों को अपने को जैसा देखने का वैसे नहीं, अपन लोगों को
हम लोग खुद में कमियां
निकालते हैं. लाइक अभी मैं अरे मैं ऐसा हूँ. It's not like that. अरे वो लोग मुझे कैसे देख रहे हैं उसका अपने को ज्यादा पड़ा है.
that one. Yeah.
And जब वो थिंकिंग तुम लोग का चेंज होएगा ना, you will go more आगे.
So the thing is कि वो थिंकिंग चेंज करने के लिए या वो माइंडसेट वो पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करने के लिए we need to take some time off social media.
And
so that is why many people or many creators, big creators take time off.
They take time.
Because social media can be helpful as well as very 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 toxic.
And I feel कि it's okay to take break from anything and to know yourself better.
Yeah.
If you're getting better and growing from that thing, so it's good for you.
Yeah. See, what is important for a person in life is improving themselves or growing.
First.
ठीक है,
Putting
if they
themselves
cannot see
first.
growth, putting themselves first. If they do not see growth or improvement, they need to focus on themselves. Okay, it's not like people
That's
are
the
not
first
working hard
priority,
out
I'll
there.
say, after the family.
Yeah.
Like you have to take stands for yourself. And afterwards you have to know कि दूसरे में क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. अगर तुम लोग खुद को जान नहीं सकते पहले, तो दूसरों को क्या ही जान लोगे, और मतलब ही क्या है जान के. I feel मेरा वैसा ओपिनियन है.
Yeah, that's right.
But does mindset affects you, like to grow, like तुम मतलब affects in the say
mindset.
Yeah, people
It
mindset.
does, you know. In fact, the most important role that is played is by a person's, you know, way of thinking.
Yeah.
So the way a person thinks is what we see. Because हम लोग, like, what my point of view is, you cannot meet someone or see someone and just judge them कि
Point.
अरे हाँ ये तो ऐसे होगा, ये तो वैसे होगा. नहीं. When the person, you know, the person talks, keeps his perspective in front of us, that is when we know कि अरे बाबा ये इंसान ऐसा है.
ऐसा है.
So the way of thinking is very important. So
Perspective
or
is a
mindset,
different
yeah.
like it's important, but we can't judge a person by, मतलब अगर मैं तेरा बात कर रहा हूँ, like we are meeting for the first time, if I saw you, I can't say like अरे ये ऐसा ऐसी बंदी है, ये ऐसा
you can't say that because you don't know what that person is in real, ना. In
person अभी जब अपन बात कर रहे हैं, then we get to know कि तेरा क्या mindset है, तेरा क्या thinking है, and if our thinking connects, we vibe along, and that's the important thing for me, I have to say.
Yeah. And see, you know, for many people, it is very difficult to talk about what they have faced in their life,
Yeah.
even in social media and in real life.
Real life, I'll say, but because
भले वो, you know, DMs हो, ऐसे message requests हो.
No, the thing is कि मैं खुद बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे friends भी है, but in female friends, I'll say कि they are private because उन लोग को डर लगता है, उन लोग के life में जो भी हुआ है, they can't say openly to anyone.
See, it takes a lot of courage to even talk about certain
things. Yeah, definitely.
And sometimes it just takes time. I wouldn't have spoken about, you know, all that bus wala scene. मैं नहीं बोलती 5 साल पहले या फिर 2 साल पहले भी तू मुझे पूछता, मैं नहीं बोलती. But at this point I'm just like, why am I keeping quiet?
Yeah.
मैंने तो कुछ गलत किया नहीं है.
बराबर है.
जो गलत हुआ वो मेरे साथ हुआ, तो मैं क्यों चुप बैठूं ऐसा. So when a person asks कि अब तेरे साथ कुछ हुआ है, I talk about it openly. एक ही नहीं, मेरे साथ जितना भी जो कुछ हुआ है मैं सब बताती हूँ कि बाबा ऐसा है. But I don't just tell them the stories, you know, I tell them the way to deal with it. Because, you know,
पब्लिक को एंटरटेन करना अलग है और पब्लिक को हकीकत बताना अलग है.
Yeah, so you have to know कि there are still women and there are still men, women, non-binaries, everyone who hasn't faced what I have faced, right? And just so that they must have faced other things. Just so that they shouldn't go through what I'm going, I feel that it's a good thing कि मैं share करती हूँ, so that, you know, they know how to deal with it. ठीक है, मैं ऐसे नहीं करी कि बाबा हाँ ठीक है अब I know how to deal with it, मैं अपने लिए ही रखूंगी, ये किसी को बताऊंगी नहीं. Once you share your stories, once you share how you dealt with it, it helps people. It helps people to know, you know, because everyone has their own battles. ठीक है.
Definitely. Everyone, like you, me, the cameraman, everyone. Yeah.
हाँ. सबके अपने अपने issues होते हैं,
but that battle is with you and you have to deal with it. You have to overcome that battle. Is the main thing. If you are staying back, you are sitting back because of that battle, then you are not going to grow in your life or anything.
That's it. And the thing is that, like, जो भी होता है ना जिंदगी में, take a good lesson from it. Like जो भी होता है, like even if your life is going downhill at this point, ठीक है, don't lose hope. ठीक है. So the thing is that we all have had phases. We all have had phases when we are just like, अरे यार जिंदगी में कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है.
What we can do is like we can just hope, but we have to try for it.
Yeah, you cannot just sit in a place and be like, अरे नहीं हो जाएगा.
No, it won't.
You have to get up.
You have to.
ठीक है, you have to work for it.
So what's your opinion behind hope and like hard work and smart work things?
See,
do you
I
hope?
Feel like,
do you only hope or do you work for it also?
See, that's the thing. You cannot just hope. You have to work for it.
Yeah.
So hoping for something. And
that's your mindset, and that's clear mindset. I say.
That is a clear mindset. Hoping for something and working for something are two different things. But they go hand in hand. Okay, they go hand in hand. You cannot just have one and you cannot have the other. Like you're working for something but you don't have hope at all. कि अरे हाँ बस मैं काम करूँ, नहीं पता नहीं क्या होगा आगे, पता नहीं, बस कर रही हूँ. Or you can't be like अरे नहीं मुझे पता है कि ऐसे होगा. And you're just sitting in a place and you're not doing anything.
No, it won't happen. It won't happen.
They both go hand in hand. You want
do you manifest? Do you manifest?
Yeah, manifestations work.
Like, do you have some experience you want to share?
I do. See, I have had many manifestations about my education, about my career, about my personal life, many, and even about my mental health. कि बाबा I in 2020 हम सबका ऐसे हो गया था कि घर में ही रहना है, बात करने के लिए लाइक ऐसे ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन कुछ बात होती नहीं थी किसी से ज़्यादा, सिर्फ फैमिली के साथ. तो तभी everyone was very, I won't say sad, but like in a underground state, in a hibernative state. तो तभी 2020 was very bad for me because it brought a lot, but it was also good because it gave me time to face all my issues.
You were fighting
in
your
my
demons.
life.
I'll say you were fighting your demons.
Yeah. So I did isolate myself from most of the people for half of the 2020. I tried fixing all my problems, and it really worked. Okay, so I never knew this concept of manifestations until and unless 2020, by the end of 2020. So in 2021, like New Year resolution, मैंने ये लिया था कि मुझे एक साल में कुछ भी करके I have to better myself, कुछ भी करके, ठीक है. And by the end of 2020, I was so satisfied. I was so satisfied by my development and my personal growth. I'm telling you, and उसके बाद I'm just like, you just have to make a list. Don't even write if you want. Just keep it in your head कि बाबा by the end of this year मुझे ये चीज़ें चाहिए ही चाहिए.
But मेरा thinking है कि you are writing, तुझे ये चीज़ चाहिए. If you are writing 5 things ना, उसमें से 5 नहीं हो तो भी चलेगा. But even if one thing happens with you by the end of the year, it's a good thing. You don't have to be a sad. अरे मैंने 5 लिखा था, मैंने 1 ही किया. तूने 1 में तो perfection से किया ना. That's great. That's good.
See, that's the thing ना. So how manifestations work is कि you have to when you are manifesting something, it's not like I want this. You have to act like you have it already.
You have it.
ठीक है, and that's when you have that confidence and you have that attitude and you work harder to get it.
The thing is कि even I don't know about the manifesting power and all stuff, but past 6 months I'll say I started talking to myself like
you have to talk to yourself.
Yeah, you have
to
talk.
Thing.
It's a good thing, but in a way like I have this thing. Even if I don't have right now, I am talking to myself कि Krish, you have this thing. You have achieved it. And it feels better. तुझे लगेगा, but you have to work. It's not like कि तू खाली बोल रहा है. You have to work for it. That's the point. But in a way, it happens. I'll say, like some point, थोड़ा आता है.
हाँ, देख what manifestation basically is. It's like just a way of thinking. ठीक है? It's like an achiever's mindset.
Yeah.
So when you decide you have it already, like you've achieved it, then you know कि नहीं, there's no going back. I have to achieve it ना, even if I haven't. If I'm saying it to myself कि पापा मैंने ये कर लिया, तब तो मुझे करना ही है ऐसा. And see, there are times when in your life you're just like अरे यार कुछ करना ही नहीं है, बस मन नहीं करता,
वो हो जाता है.
And at those times don't push yourself too hard. Take a break. That's the best thing. There is also this concept called toxic positivity. You cannot be positive at all times.
That thing.
Yeah, the toxic positivity is the concept of promoting to be positive at all times.
Okay.
That cannot happen.
It won't.
It's like our life has a balance of good and bad. We have our good days, but we also have our bad days.
Right.
तो हम लोग को दोनों फेस करना ही है. You cannot, just because everything is going good, you cannot force yourself to be happy. No, there are times when you'll feel low, when you feel like no, you don't want to get out of your bed, you just want to sleep. ऐसा. Take your time. Take a break, take rest, and then get back up. You'll get back up stronger. That's the best part. That's the best part. कि whenever life asks you to take a break, take it. Because उसके बाद you have more energy to get things done. And even if it's about social life or like your physical life, the best you can do is whenever both lives get toxic, the best you can do is take a break. So even in 365 days, you take a break for like you take a 1 hour break every day. It's fine. It's fine because if it's doing you good, why not? Absolutely do it. go ahead, ऐसा.
But just if you want to help others who are watching this podcast, when you're in your low times, I'll say,
Yeah.
like, how do you know ki it's your low time, and how do you deal with it, how you cope up? If you want to give some advice to others.
How do I know if it's my low time? When I find myself watching series for the entire day and doing absolutely nothing, that is
Does
how I
it
know.
affects your mind, like
It does. Not my mind, it affects my entire life. Like, I don't like doing anything. I just like being lazy, and you know, sleeping around. That's it. That is what I do when I'm low. I don't like meeting anyone, I don't like talking to anyone, I don't pick up calls, kuch nahi. It's like,
in that state, do you overthink about your life also?
yeah, that is the reason I don't like talking to anyone, because
Okay.
it's like a rock bottom. You hit a rock bottom, it's like, नहीं, अब मुझे सोचना है,
And
मुझे
in
किसी
this
से बात नहीं करनी.
और I feel कि ये stage में like 16, 17 till 20 overthink बहुत होता है
बहुत
life के बारे
हाँ,
में.
बहुत होता है, because these are the stages when, you know, see, it's not just because we are teenagers, no, it's because, you know, these are the stages, 16, 17 especially. देख, मेरा degree college ना, it's fun, amazing. I would hate, if you ask me कि what was the time I hated the most, it was when I was 16 and 17. Junior college. Junior college was the worst part of my life, and I think it is the worst part of almost everyone's life. We
Yeah,
don't
definitely.
know, we are growing, ठीक है, and it's like we are in the middle of the world, like the entire world, and our small world, like अपना घर, school.
घर, school.
Because हम लोग का पहले दुनिया क्या था, घर, school, tuition, खाना पीना, पढ़ाई, बस. अभी we go into that another world जहाँ पे हम लोग को लोग मिलते हैं, and you know, it's more
It's like
than
कि
just
अपने को
studies.
इधर से
Yes.
उठा के डायरेक्ट पूरे वर्ल्ड में डाल दिया अपने
Yeah.
को.
So it is a really hard time for a child, a 16 to 17-year-old child, to cope up. By the time you're in your 18s and 19s, and you're in a degree college, or you know, once you're done with JC and you are just, you know, looking for jobs or something, or in a diploma, you know, you have already absorbed everything around
Everything around you.
you. You are, you know,
Does absorbing affects you?
no, I
Like in a way, like college में अगर तू अभी अपने को like 10 के बाद 11 में डाल दिया है, तो थोड़ा सेट होने को अपने को टाइम लगता है ना.
yeah.
तो that
See,
thing.
as a student, like as a student, we have our stages of absorbing. वैसे in a personal life, our stage of absorbing is 16 and 17,
17,
because तभी हम
right.
लोग high school में रहते हैं,
Definitely.
ठीक है. तो it is very difficult at that time to deal with emotions,
Yes.
and to deal with life in general. And after
That time we are very vulnerable, I'll say.
yeah, we are
We
very
are
vulnerable.
Even now, sometimes we get vulnerable.
We do, but the only plus point is कि अभी we know how to deal with situations. अभी
And
we
we
know how to
think
handle
before
things.
reacting it
Yeah.
to them.
Yeah. We were basically very immature. तभी हम लोग बहुत ऐसी चीजें की है जो हम लोग अभी regret भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है?
Regret का नहीं, but it's a
हंस सकते
phase
हैं.
of life, I'll
Yeah.
say. हंस सकते हैं, अपने हाथ से कुछ गया नहीं है, I'll say.
नहीं, कुछ
Regret
गया
करने का
नहीं है, हाँ.
मतलब नहीं है तो.
देख, हाथ से कुछ गया नहीं है, उतना I can say. Just the thing is that कि you cannot mix your personal life and social life. This is one thing I would like to say कि see, मेरा अकाउंट देख के ना बहुत लोग ऐसा assume कर लेते हैं,
Instagram account.
yeah, कि I am a fashion designing student or like an art student. And the way I dress up ना college में, सबको ऐसे ही लगता है कि I'm an art student. I have had my classmates tell me, my juniors tell me कि हमें तो ऐसे लगता था कि तू आर्ट्स की है, हमें नहीं पता था तू साइंस में. And I'm like, there are many things I don't talk about, or I don't, you know, share on my social media. I like to keep things private, not a secret, but a
private.
You know, private.
You have a private life.
Yeah,
Everyone should have a private
yeah,
life.
so there are many people who, you know, on social media they text me and they are like, अरे मुझे तो लगा था तू बहुत dumb हो गई, अरे मुझे तो लगा था कि तू fashion designing में होगी.
Do guys DM you like this?
Yeah, many. So even in 6th standard.
How do you react? Like, how do you react to that?
See, I don't tell them कि नहीं बाबा मैं dumb नहीं हूँ, ये नहीं. I just laugh. I'm like, ठीक है, जो लोग in person मेरे को मिल चुके हैं, जो लोग मेरे क्लास में, जो लोग मेरे साथ पढ़ते हैं, उनको पता है मैं कैसी हूँ, ठीक है. So मेरा ऐसे ही एक एक्सपीरियंस था 6th स्टैंडर्ड में. I was a kid, ठीक है.
Everyone is kid
Yeah,
in
no,
sixth
no,
grade.
I was a kid,
हाँ.
but तभी I was pretty mature for a kid. हम लोग
When
के
you were in
खानदान में
sixth.
हम लोग के खानदान में मेच्योरिटी बहुत जल्दी आ जाती है, ठीक है, वो
जो
हम
मुझे
लोग ने
अभी
देख
तक
ही
नहीं
लिया
आई
है.
है.
हम लोग ने देख ही
हाँ.
लिया है. तो तभी आई हैव दिस बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, गाय बेस्ट फ्रेंड फ्रॉम माय 600 का स्कूल, जब भी मैं शिफ्ट हो गई थी,
हाँ.
पालघर शिफ्ट हुई थी, राइट. तो his first impression of mine was that I would be dumb, I would be very dumb and immature. And then हुआ क्या कि मैंने पहले दोनों सेमेस्टर्स में मैंने टॉप किया.
It's not like that. It's not like that. I'll say one thing कि whenever even if I see a girl, सब लोग को सब बंदे लोग कैसे जा रही है, ये बंदी डब है. वो वैसे ही रहता सबका. But after you know them, अरे तेरे को मालूम पता है कि इसका क्या कलर्स है.
No, he was like, मुझे तो लगा था तू बहुत डफर हो गया ना. Like ये क्या होता है, ऐसे कौन जज करता है क्या. So yeah, that's that.
So should we end this podcast? I feel
Yeah.
So thank you for coming. It was a great time with you, and thank you for giving your special time.
I'll be here a lot.
Thank you माथे, thank you.
हिंदी
चलेगा ना, उसमें क्या है. क्या हुआ, हिंदी मराठी कुछ भी अपन अपना हिसाब से करते ना.